As a Jira user, whether we are a program manager, a scrum master, or a developer, we often find ourselves buried under a mountain of tasks and issues that require manual processing. There are so many tasks to be updated, people to be notified, and reports to be sent. It often becomes very overwhelming because you know that these never ending tasks not only make it tough to stay organized but also eat up precious time and energy that could be better spent on innovation and planning. Ever wished you had something that could empower you to automate these repetitive tasks? Something that could save valuable time, reduce human errors, improve consistency, and streamline communication. And that too without any additional cost? If yes, then the answer is Jira Automation. Hi, I am Praveen. I am an MBA alumnus of IIM Indore. With 18 years entrenched in the realm of software development and program management, I have honed my skills across various esteemed organizations, including stints at Microsoft and Symantec. Throughout my career, I have specialized in program management and agile methodologies and have leveraged tools like Jira to streamline processes and drive results. In this course, I will take you through Jira Automation and cover everything you need to understand about Jira Automation. So, are you ready to level up your project management skills? Say goodbye to manual tasks and hello to productivity with Jira Automation, your key to unlocking your team's full potential. Join now, and I will see you in the course.